Now, that weak dollar has sent commodities all higher. Copper, silver, gold will go. Gold's limited because upside in gold is limited. I think that's the mood, isn't it? And you tend to appoint the person who's going to set. It's like a manager. They have a particular system and a style, don't they? And I think that's how it's going to work with the chair. You don't tick off the chair. Commodity markets doing higher on that. That narrative has become front and center. That's what's going on. Euro dollar long makes sense in the current market condition. Equity markets long makes sense in the current condition. The euro dollar continues to move higher. First standard deviation is just hit and bouncing off. Next standard deviation is up at the 1172. Euro dollar buying does make sense. Not for me because I've got existing trades on already. And just to recap the existing trades, silver, just note this. Remember that hammer reversal we looked at yesterday? Hammer reversal, price pulled back, nice 50% retracement, and now we're making our way higher, right? That position to add in yesterday on that hammer reversal being vindicated for now, and this is a long-term trade that I'm staying with. As you want to wait for jobless claims, I'll run through that in a minute for sure, because jobless claims will impact that trade. But that's the kind of the mood music at the moment. Looking at Babcock International, big defense play in the UK, and you've got that nice sort of flag pattern. Anyone who's sort of taken that flag pattern from yesterday, just marking those targets on, and that'll be up at the 1.25 here. 1.250 would be the target. There's not a whole load on this because of the fact that it's jumped so far. And if you look at it on the hourly chart, yes, there was some positive volume on the move higher, and you can see there was a positive volume with the breakout. Not unreasonable to still look for further gains on that.